Hello everyone. Good morning. Today we are going to start our new technology, SAP ABAP. So first of all, let me introduce about myself. I am a SAP ABAP consultant having around 6 year experience in corporate. I have completed so many projects in rollout, implementation, and upgrade. And currently, I have started my new journey as a SAP ABAP trainer. So this is all about me. Let me start with this technology. Do you have an idea about what exactly SAP is? What exactly SAP make impact? What are the things on SAP? Why exactly SAP came in picture? Do you have idea? If not, then I will give you in detail idea why SAP came in picture and what are the things in SAP that we can use in daily basis. So without wasting time, let me go direct in technology perspectives. Okay. So SAP is nothing but system, application, and product. This is long form of SAP. If I am talking about system, so it is nothing but group of applications, group of modules. When you are talking group of applications, group of module, it is kind of system. But in order to utilize this system, we have some applications. There are some third-party applications, some are user interface applications. So based on user requirement, we are creating different application. And when we are coming about the product, so product is nothing but list of functionality it is having just to fulfill business requirement. So for that purpose, we are having products. So it's all about SAP. Let me explain in brief what are the things available in SAP. Let me give some examples so you guys understand more better. So in SAP, we know SAP is a ERP. What is mean by ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. So whenever any company going to establish, so that time any company needs planning. So who is going to achieve that planning? Who is going to manage activities? That is the SAP. That is the ERP. So this is the ERP software, Enterprise Resource Planning software. So how day-to-day activities in industry we can manage? First of all, we need to understand what are the activities in industry, like warehousing, HR, payroll, sales, procurement, then material management, material manufacturing, finance. So these are the different module we have in SAP. Apart from that, there are some technicals and functional modules. If I am talking about technical, so ABAP is a technical module, Basis is a technical module, BW is a technical module, CPI is a technical module. Based on user requirement, we can use any module. Let me go through. Okay. I will list down each and everything in a stepwise manner so you guys can understand more better. Okay. So modules for better use and better understanding. SAP created different thing in modules. Okay. So first is a technical modules. Okay. Then second is a functional module. If I am talking about the technicals module, Then we have SAP ABAP. If I am talking about kernel of SAP, that is nothing but basis. So basis is also technical model. Basis mostly dealing with the configuration kind of things. When you want to build any SCCP system, so we need a basis person, basis consultant. So it's responsibility of a basis consultant to establish, configure, develop the SAP system according to the requirement. So basis is also a very important model. Basis. Then apart from that, there is one more model that is a CPI that come under BTP, Business Technology Platform. CPI is nothing but cloud platform integration. Cloud platform integration means whenever you want to connect any non-SAP system with SAP or SAP with a non-SAP system. So in that kind of requirement, we can use a CPI, cloud platform integration. So there are different things in cloud platform integration. According to user requirement, we can implement it. I am not going in depth because this is a just introduction section. I want to give detail what are the things in SAP, and going forward we will learn in depth. Okay. So as of now, I am just explaining overview of SAP. And then we are having BW or EWM. BW is the basic version of EWM. EWM is extended warehouse management. So we know in warehouse we can create a product, we can create a GR, we can create a good issue, good receipt, we can have some invoices, invoice receipt. So whenever we are talking about these things, so this EWM model came in picture. Okay. So in EWM we are having different things that we are going to talk next phase. So that is fine. BW is a child version of EWM. So it was an older version and EWM is an advanced version. Okay. At the end, we will keep the question answer session. We will open window for question answer. So as of now, I am just explaining the things. So I will give you some time to ask questions. Okay. So this was a EWM and BW. If I am talking about functional modules, so what are the functional modules we have? What are the functional module make impact? So first of all, I will explain HR. You know, in any company, HR is there. HR dealing with payroll, onboarding, offboarding, workforce management. So these are the things HR manage. So how HR manage these things? How HR maintain your data? How HR do the onboarding, do the offboarding? How HR do the payroll? So these are the things are very important. So in order to implement these things, in order to achieve these things, we are having ERP, that is SAP, and in SAP, HR is a module. So this all payroll, HR, warehouse management, workforce management. So these are the things we can implement in HR. So HR is for that purpose. Then second, SD. SD is a sales and distribution. What is meant by sales and distribution? If you are manufacturing any product, if you are manufacturing any product, you are creating any product. So at the end, that product you need to sell. You need to create sales order for that product. Okay. Then you need to create a delivery. Okay. So these are the things come under ESG, that is sales and distribution model. So apart from that, there is also one more model that is MM. So MM model is mostly dealing with the material management. Material management. So in MM, we will do material management, we will create a material, we will create a PO. So whenever any material create, So at the back end, PO will also going to create. So whenever we create a PO, GRE is going to happen, good receipt, good issue is going to happen. These are the in detail concept, but just I am highlighting the topics as of now. Going forward, we will learn in depth. Okay. I'm just highlighting the things. Okay. Then we are having FI. FI, or we can say it as a FICO, finance and controlling. This module dealing with the financial activities like account creation, then document creation, accounting document creation, taxes, GST, TDS. So these are the things come under FICO. Okay. Then again, we are having one more module that is a procurement, e-procurement. This is also another module. Then PP is also another module for project planning. In a PP product module, we are mostly deal with the project activities. Okay, PP. So these are the things are there in SAP. In order to achieve these things, we need to do some activities in SAP. So this is all about SAP. If anyone has any question, so you can drop your questions in comment. I will go through each comment and I will come to each one of you. Okay. So that's all about today. Tomorrow we're going to learn about SAP ABAP in detail. Then we will go through CPI. So step by step, we will learn each and everything in detail in practical manner. As if today was a first session, so I have just given you brief idea about ACP ABAP, what is BCS, what is CPI, what is technical modules, what is functional module, blah blah. So it's all about this lecture. So bye everyone. Let's connect tomorrow.